Hello everyone, I'm once again with a new video clip, but today I would like to talk about two common and important phrases in English: how many and how much. But before to start the clip, I would like to teach you the differentiation between how many and how much. How many is a phrase is used to ask about the quantity of countable noun. Countable nouns which can be counted, like how many subjects do you have at school? I have 8 subjects. How many family members do you have? I have 5 members. How many brothers do you have? I have 3 brothers. Now let's talk about the second one, how much. How much is also a phrase is used to ask about the quantity of non-countable noun which cannot be counted. For example, how much water do you need? I need a glass of water. And how much sugar do you want? I want a cup of sugar. Thank you.